Oh, don't get your daughter! The gator's gonna get her! Jeez. Wow.
Oh my god.
Yo. Yeah. You see the dad, yo? Oh shit, that man was on a bike! That man was on a bike! That man was on a bike! Huh? Huh? Oh yeah! Let's go!
Depart before staring at the camera. The culprit or culprits have never been identified, and the clowns remain a mystery.
And for more than 2 years, Corinne Varty first tried it at the age of 15 and has been eating it ever
What the
since.
fuck?
This woman from the city of
Fuck you guys clicking on this video
just
for?
use this natural resource.
What? How old? Too many dance moves like there was a dancing. What? I'm in his face. Out of his ass, bitch. You thought I was on cut aside, boy. Go, Barry, get in here. Fuck yeah! I just scored 6 like a touchdown. Fuck you. Let's go. Does he get the ball? Fuck you, Ronnie. Pile up. No! Holy shit, me up! Fuck this damn game! That's Barry Sanders! He has a fumble! What? Stay back for the lateral! You didn't even try! What are you doing? Stay back in the backfield for a lateral! Oh, we lost to the fucking Titans, bro! What the fuck? What the fuck was that? What? Hey! Man, that was a double dribble! What the fuck? Yo! Honestly, right now in the hip-hop world, right now, as of today, right now, the top 2 artists right now is me and Blueface, bro. And the fact that you put us on the top 50 worst rappers, it just shows you have no knowledge in hip-hop. You know what I'm saying? To a whole different perspective. He has his own dances, forever gonna remember this. I feel like Soulja Boy is like the ghetto version of Michael Jackson in our time period, bro. No cap. Bro, cows really eat that grass, that dried up ass grass, instead of a nice cheeseburger or something. This nigga's retarded.